Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send money from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So the first step you need to do is to click on your Phantom Wallet, that is open in your Chrome browser, and I want to send money from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So you simply need to click on send here, and you can select in which option you want to send. So I want to send in Bitcoin. Okay, here you can see recipient Bitcoin address and amount. So you need to copy recipient address from your Bitcoin and you need to paste that here like this. I'm showing you an example. Here you need to add the amount, let's suppose 40 BTC. Okay, and then you need to click on next and it will process and you can easily send money from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.